Hey guys, this is the Investors Channel where investors come for stock recommendations and financial news. And today, I'm going to talk about Tesla and why I feel it's a speculative stock. And if you want to buy shares, there are a few things I think you guys should know before you go ahead and buy the shares. Number one, the stock is extremely volatile, like penny stocks. The stock closed at 190 Friday for a good decline of 42% this year. Now, this kind of volatility I've seen in penny stocks, but this ain't a penny stock. Like all those get-rich-quick penny stocks where you invest $1 and it can become 10. Sure, I mean, I've invested in one like Aura Cannabis, but other than that, I haven't seen a stock this volatile. Let me know in the comment space if there was any stock, not a penny stock, that was this volatile. And since this stock is so volatile, Wall Street analysts are saying it can go down to $36 a share in the worst case scenario. Number two, the misuse or mismanagement of money. Tesla burned through more than $900 million of cash in the first quarter. Whoa! 900 million? It's a lot of money. How did they use all that money? Well, apparently, we don't know because Elon Musk has been kind of hiding that from the shareholders. Furthermore, Elon Musk used the funds that was meant for Tesla to save his other company called SolarCity. Okay, well, maybe there could have been a desperate need for money because people weren't investing more in SolarCity, or SolarCity is a private company, so they were just in desperate need of money. But if I give you money for a specific purpose, I wouldn't be happy if you used it for a different purpose. That's just an issue of honesty and management, because that money was meant specifically for Tesla, not for SpaceX or to save a different venture. Also, did you know that Tesla burned through $8 billion of cash running its operations? Sure, maybe suppliers and investors waited, but you still had to pay the employees. True, but that money you put into SolarCity or put somewhere else where God knows where, you may have been able to use that to pay for the employees. Right now, I can only guess it's a mismanagement of money again, but the reason why I don't have evidence, because some of the stuff is hidden on the balance sheet that you can't see all the expenditures of Tesla. Which brings me to my next point, number 3, on honesty. So, yes, he is definitely hiding something from the shareholders, but his dishonesty goes further than that. Some analysts were asking him questions about the Model 3s, and guess what he was doing? Hiding stuff again. And if that wasn't bad enough, he famously claimed that he was considering taking Tesla private on Twitter and that funding was secured. Again, that was a lie. But he has lied so much that his vision for a self-driving taxi fleet, which he had predicted would make the stock of Tesla go up, it hasn't made Tesla move at all. Why? Because he's losing credibility. Now, he can make whatever claim he wants that you can turn your Tesla into a self-driving taxi, it's a passive stream of income or whatever, but he has just lost credibility and not as many people believe him anymore. Which is also another reason why I think that Tesla is going to have a hard time acquiring new funds and getting more people to invest in the company so then they can save it. Now, you might shrug off this whole video and say that none of this matters because they have a higher valuation than Ford and Chrysler combined. But this higher valuation is mostly because of a voting machine. A lot of people, for whatever reason, think Tesla is a great company, so they are buying shares, and every time someone buys shares, they're voting for the share price to go up. So people just want it for whatever reason, I'm not even sure why, they don't pay a dividend, and the following points I just mentioned don't make the stock more attractive. Although if it's for a gamble, maybe it's a quick gain thing. I can probably understand why, but for a long-term investment, this company makes no sense. However, if you want a better pick, I recommend Ford at or under $12 a share. I will link videos where I recommend Ford down below in the description. Also, guys, let me know what you think of Tesla. I personally think it's a speculative stock and it's not worth buying, but I want to hear what you guys think. If you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe with bell notifications so you never miss out on another video, comment letting me know if you have any questions or concerns, and share. Once again, this is the Investors Channel where investors come for stock recommendations and financial news.